What's up, you guys? It's the McCree crew back again with another video. Today we'll be doing an experimental video.
So, we are going to be doing does food coloring spread faster in warm water or spread faster in cold water? So guys,
we both got food coloring.
I have green as yellow,
and I have warm water.
I have cold water.
So we're about to go ahead and get started. So on the count of three, we're both going to drop some food coloring in our water.
3,
3, 2, 1.
1, 2, 3.
Alright. Oh wow, this is beautiful.
And spread it faster in warm water.
It looks like it's going to spread faster in warm water, to be honest.
Yeah. No, even if I shake it, it's still going to spread faster in warm water. What did you guys think?
Yeah, comment down below what you guys think. Is it warm or cold? So, as you guys can see, it's spread in both of them, but the fast one was cold.
Yeah.
That was actually really fun.
So guys, if you haven't already,
make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.
Hit the bell so you get all of our videos that we post. And I'm gonna drink some.
Is it good?
Oh yeah, by the way, this is an edible food coloring, so yeah, that's why I'm drinking it. It's edible. Yeah, she just dropped warm water and that wasn't really good. But, you know, I can't even taste the food coloring, so it tastes like water. It's good.
Alright, so guys, we hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe like we already said. And make sure you hit the bell to get all of our notifications.
And guys, we have a new giveaway, Halloween costume giveaway coming up. So make sure you enter that giveaway.
And
so you can get a costume for your brother, daughter,
sister.
Or, yeah.
So it ends October 20th, I think. So October 20th. So make sure you guys enter that giveaway. Alright, you guys.
Yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. Bye!
Peace.